Hey guys, it's Canadian Pyro. So I was just walking through Walmart and I saw this random box there. I was like, oh, that looks familiar. It was Kaboom Fireworks. So they usually only get fireworks, I think, once a year around Halloween. And this was the only box I could find anywhere, and it was just stashed randomly. So I definitely bought it because you have to. This was 10 bucks, I think, for the 4 shots, and they look the same, but there are 4 different effects. So we'll get inside there and take a look at the effects. So first up, we've got a crackling floral bomb, crackling tail to a crackling peony burst up to 40 meters. And I think, yeah, we got 2 of those. And then we've got a bursting floral bomb. So a yellow tail to a crackling peony burst. Also, it is a crackling burst, but a yellow tail. And then we've got exploding floral bomb. So this is a green tail to a colored crackling peony burst up to 40 meters. So yeah, let's test those out. Oh, it hit the next one. Those are decent. We'll hit 2 at once for the end. 2 that are the same.